lahat. Assalamualaikum. Greetings of peace to one and all. Every graduation ceremony is a milestone to a student's life. Our 26th commencement exercises is a symbol of success, a reason to celebrate, and a moment of thanksgiving. Sa ating pinakamamahal na Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Isagani S. de la Cruz, SO5. Sir, isa po at tunay na kalaanan po na makasama po kayo sa okasyong ito. This is one of the history events of FBR Village Elementary School that on the 26th commencement exercises, no less than our Schools Division Superintendent awarded you, given you your certificates. A big round of applause to our SDS. To our very honorary Public Schools District Supervisor of Tumbler District, Dr. Evangeline S. Ortiz, ma'am, thank you for your presence. Truly, we are so blessed of their presence today. The school heads of Tumbler District, our very own Principal of Alisan High School, your Principal soon, Dr. Eddie S. Atay. We have with us Dr. Evangeline Punto, Principal of Upper London Elementary School. We have Dr. Irene Brasileño, Principal of Nicolas Dani Integrated School. To the undeniably very supportive SPTA President, our very own Sir Mr. Jordan Goong. It was very fulfilling year working with you, Pres. To the one who inspired us today in his life's journey, our 2024 commencement speaker, Engineer Brian C. Gallego. Hats off to your life story, sir. God bless you more and keep raising the flag of FBR Village Elementary School, your alma mater. And continue to be the best version of yourself. We are truly inspired. To the powerhouse teaching staff of this school, the 57 competent and dedicated teachers, please stand to be recognized. Palakpakan po natin sa huling pagkakataon mga bata, your teachers. Thank you so much. We have done a very good job for this school year. Special mention to our grade 6, whose impressive job is very evident today. To the working committees for the whole school year, you did an amazing job. Congratulations. To the happiest and proudest parents and guardians there, mainit pero alam ko iniinda ninyo kasi naninibabaw ang kaligayahan. Accept my warmest appreciation, may tuturing sa isang malaking tagumpay ang maitaguyod ninyo ang pag-aaral ng inyong mga anak sa gitna ng hamon at hirap ng buhay. Ang tagumpay ng inyong mga anak ngayon ay tagumpay po rin ninyo. Most of all, through the fruits of our labor, the Department of Education, the 307 graduates of FBR Village for the school year 2023-2024, the stars of the moment. Congratulations, children. Turn those medals, those awards, those certificates into positive actions that could impact your life and the lives of others. Always be a blessing to others. Keep the faith. Always pray to God's guidance and protection. I am immensely proud and happy that you have successfully finished your elementary education. This has become possible because of the concerted efforts of all the people around you and genuinely care and give their concern to you. sa ikabubuti ng ating paaralan. Maraming salamat po. At sama-sama po tayo para sa isang matatag na FDR Elementary School. A sincere thanks also goes to the Barangay